Hey drone enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the hottest drone rumor of 2025, the DJI Mini 5 Pro, potentially the world's first Category 1 drone under 249 grams. This beast could change how we fly forever, so buckle up, hit that like button, and let's unpack the leaks, specs, and why this drone has the community buzzing. So, what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro so special? According to a juicy leak from Drone XL on June 18, 2025, this drone could be the first to hit Category 1 status under FAA rules. That means you could fly it over people without needing waivers or fancy parachute systems. It's got lightweight propeller cages designed to prevent injuries, keeping it super safe while staying under that magic 249-gram mark. This also means no FAA registration for recreational pilots, total freedom. The leaked photo from Igor Bogdanov on X has sent shockwaves through the community, hinting at a release as early as July or August 2025. Prominent leakers like Hakasushi and Jasper Ellens on X back this up, with Ellens even teasing a possible September launch. Check out their posts for the full scoop. Now let's talk specs, because the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a beast. It's rumored to pack a 4,680 mAh battery. That's a 30% jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 2,690 mAh. This could push flight time to a jaw-dropping 50 minutes, up from 34. But here's the catch. How does DJI keep it under 249 grams with those propeller cages? The design, inspired by the DJI Flip, uses fixed single-piece propellers, but Ellens on X warned they might be noisy, suggesting this could be a prototype. The drone also boasts omnidirectional obstacle avoidance with 2 front-facing LiDAR sensors, AI-powered flight modes, and an upgraded return-to-home system. Oh, and get this, a 15.5-mile range. That's 25 kilometers of epic exploration. Some X posts even hint at a 1-inch camera sensor for stunning footage. Is this the ultimate compact drone? But it's not all smooth skies. The fixed propellers and cages raise questions about portability. Will it fold as compactly as the Mini 4 Pro? And then there's the US market. With potential restrictions looming, like those affecting the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, will we even get our hands on it? The community on X is hyped but cautious, with some speculating an August 7th, 2025 drop. We'll keep you posted as more leaks roll in. If the Mini 5 Pro delivers, it could redefine drone flying, safer, longer, and more accessible than ever. Imagine capturing epic shots over festivals or parks without worrying about regulations. What do you think? Game changer or just hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's get this discussion flying. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more drone news. That's it for today, pilots. Stay tuned for more on the DJI Mini 5 Pro and keep soaring to new heights. Until next time, fly safe and keep creating. Peace out.